Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to banking awareness. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams like IBPS, SSC, banking, clerical and many other competitive exams. So now we will see the questions in detail. First question. Normally, banks accept fixed deposits for a maximum period of how many years? And the options are 7 years, 10 years, 3 years and fourth option is 5 years. Correct answer is option 2, 10 years. Next. Banking Ombudsman scheme is applicable to the business of which of the following? Options are only private sector bank. Second option, all scheduled commercial banks including RRBs. Third option, only public sector banks. Fourth, all scheduled commercial banks excluding RRBs. Correct answer is option 2, all scheduled commercial banks including RRBs. Next question. Which of the following functions are not being performed by the Reserve Bank of India? Options: currency management in India, foreign currency management in India. Third option, regulation of banks in India. And fourth option, regulation of foreign direct investment in India. Correct answer is option 4, regulation of foreign direct investment in India. Next. A centralized database with online connectivity to branches, internet as well as ATM network which has been adopted by almost all major banks of our country is known as. And the options are National Bank, Mobile Banking, Core Banking, Net banking. Correct answer is option 3. It is known as core banking. Next. Goods and service tax, which means GST, would replace which of the following taxes level at present? Options are capital gains tax, value added tax, corporate tax, income tax. Correct answer is option 2, value added tax. Next question. Which bank is called as scheduled bank? And the options are when it complies with all the three. Next, its business has crossed rupees 1000 crore mark. Third option, its branch network is over 100. And fourth, it is included in the second schedule of the RBI Act. Correct answer is option 4. A bank is called as scheduled bank when it is included in the second schedule of the RBI Act. Next question. Short-term assets representing amount due to vendor or suppliers of goods or services that were sold on credit terms is known as which of the following? And the options are account receivable, deposit asset, fixed asset, current liabilities. Correct answer is option 1, account receivable. Next question. Which of the following organization or agencies has sought an emergency fund of rupees 1000 crore from bank to tackle the acute liquidity crisis which is coming in the way to give loans to micro borrowers? And the options are microfinance institutions, option 2 RBI, option 3 regional, rural and cooperative banks, and fourth option is NABARD. Correct answer is option 4, NABARD. Next question. What is the upper limit prescribed for RTGS transaction? Options are rupees 50 lakh. Second option, there is no upper limits. Third option, rupees 25 lakhs. And fourth option is rupees 5 lakhs. Correct answer is there is no upper limit. Next question. Which of the following terms is used in the field? Options: quantum number, absolute zero, gauge pressure, adjustment credit. Correct answer is option 4, adjustment credit. Next question. Distribution of insurance products and insurance policies by banks as corporate agents is known as which of the following? And the options are general insurance, insurance banking, non-life insurance, and last option is bank assurance. Correct answer is option 4, bank assurance. Next question. Which of the following is known as plastic money? First one, demand draft, credit card. Third one, debit card. And the options are all 1, 2 and 3. Second option, both 2 and 3. And third option is only second one. Fourth option, only 1. Correct answer is option 2. Both 2 and 3 is known as plastic money, which mean credit card and debit card. Next question. Which of the following committees or task forces was set up to suggest the reforms in banking sector? And the options are Task Force on Infrastructure, Narasimhan Committee, Rajendra Sachar Committee, Swaminathan Committee. Correct answer is option 2, Narasimhan Committee. Next question. When the rate of inflation increases, what happens? Options: purchasing power of money remains unaffected. Second option, purchasing power of money decreases. Third option, purchasing power of money increases. And fourth one, value of money increases. Correct answer is option 2. When the rate of inflation increases, purchasing power of money decreases. Next one. Which of the following is the main advantage of ASBA with the applications for share allotment? And the options: ASBA applicant has got secured allotment of shares. Second option, ASBA applicant has got certain preference in allotment of shares as compared to the general applications. Third option, ASBA applicant need not remit the fund for allotment of shares. He or she will do after the shares or allotment to him or her. Fourth option, ASBA applicant deposit OD account is not debited. Only the funds are blocked for the same, and he or she continues to avail the interest till the shares are allotted to him or her. Correct answer is option 4. ASBA applicant's deposit or OD account is not debited. Only the funds are blocked for the same, and he or she continues to avail the interest till the shares are allotted to him or her. Next question. Which of the following is not considered a money market instrument? And the options are shares and bonds, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, and last option, treasury bills. Correct answer is option 1, shares and bonds. Next one. Interest on saving bank account is now calculated by banks on which of the following? Options: minimum balance from 7th to last date of the month. Second option, minimum balance during the month. Third option, daily product basis. Fourth option, maximum balance during the month. Correct answer is option 3. On daily product basis, interest on saving bank account is calculated. Next. IFRS stands for which of the following? Options are Indian Financial Rating Standards. Second option, International Financial Rating Standard. Third option, Indian Functional Reporting Standards. And fourth option, International Financial Reporting Standards. Correct answer is option 4. International Financial Reporting Standards. Next one. Which of the following is not a pair of the scheduled banking structure in India? Options: private sector banks, money lenders, state cooperative banks, public sector banks. Correct answer is option 2, money lenders. Last one. KYC guidelines followed by the banks have been framed on the recommendations of the which of the following? And the options are Ministry of Rural Development, option 2, Reserve Bank, option 3, Ministry of Home Affairs, and fourth option, Indian Banks Association. Correct answer is option 2, Reserve Bank.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.